Hello everyone, welcome to online class of Ananda Multimedia School and College. Today we will discuss exercise 3.1. It is algebraic expression related exercise. What is called algebraic expression? Meaningful organization of operational signs and numerical letter symbol is called algebraic expression. Look at, I have written an example 2x plus 3y plus 2. Here this is the algebraic expression. We know algebra is the generalization of arithmetic. Now we will do some problem and how can we find the square of any term. Look at 2x plus 3y. We will find the square of this term. At first you will write square of 2x plus 3y, and then you can write here 2x plus 3y whole square, or you can apply the formula a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can apply this formula 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square, and then you can calculate it. 2x whole square mean 2x into 2x, so you can write 4x square plus 2 to 4, 4, 3, 12, 12xy plus 9y square. This is the answer of the square of this expression. Look at minus 2x plus 3y. You can apply the formula of a plus b or a minus b, and now we can apply the formula a plus b whole square of minus 2x plus 3y, and then you can write here minus 2x plus 3y whole square, and here look at a is minus 2x and b is 3y, so you can write here minus 2x whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Now we can calculate and we can write here 4x square, because here the power is 2, so we can calculate minus into minus, minus if we multiply plus, and 2 square equal 4 and x square, and look at here we can multiply the only sign plus minus minus, 2 to 4, 4 and 3, 12, 12xy, and then you can write here 9y square. In the same way we can calculate plus sign or minus sign expression. Now we can find the three terms square. Look at, if the expression is 2x minus 3y plus z, so at first we can write square of 2x minus 3y plus z, and then you can write 2x minus 3y plus z whole square. We know a plus b plus c whole square equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Look at, I will write the formula a plus b plus c whole square equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we can apply this formula. Here look at, a is 2x and b is minus 3y and c is z, so you can write here 2x whole square plus minus 3y whole square plus z square plus 2 into 2x into minus 3y into z plus 2 into minus 3y, sorry, here only ab, here is 2x and b is minus 3y, and bc, here b is minus 3y and c is z, so you can write here plus 2 into z into 2x. Hello everyone, look at 2x is a and 3 minus 3y is b and z is c. Now we can apply a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and we can calculate it. Look at, you can write here 9y square plus z square Okay, and then you calculate at first sign plus minus minus, and you can write here 2 2 4 4 3 12 x y, and here look at plus minus minus, so you can write here 6 y z plus 4 z x. This is the answer. Dear students, I hope you have understood it easily, and you can do the another problem of this exercise of your textbook. Now we will do some problem. In the exercise there are 15 problems, but I will do only 2 problems, 8 and 15. Look at, in the question number 8 they have said a plus b equal to root 7 and a minus b is equal to root 5, then prove that 8ab into a square plus b square equal to 24. At first you can write here a plus b equal to square root 7 and a minus b equal to square root of 5, and then you can write here left hand side equal 8ab into a square plus b square. Here look at first we form the formula. Look at 4ab into 2 into a square plus b square. We can write 8ab by the two parts, 4ab into 2, and look at 4ab, we can apply the corollary of 4ab and we can apply the corollary of 2 into a square plus b square. We know the corollary of 4ab equal a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, and we can apply the corollary of 2 into a square plus b square, and then you can write here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Now we can put the value of a plus b. Look at here, the value of a plus b is root 7, so you can write here square root 7 whole square minus square root of 5 whole square, and then you can put the value of a plus b root 7 whole square plus root 5 whole square. Dear students, look at, we know the value of square root and square is 1. We know the value of square root is half in the power, so we can write here 7 minus 5, and here we can write 7 plus 5. So you can calculate 2 into 12 equal 24. Dear students, look at the value of left hand side is 24, which is the equal to the right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal right hand side proved. You can write it. Dear students, you have already known square root, the value of square root is half in the power. So look at, I can calculate it, root 7 square, 7 to the power half into square, or 7 to the power half into 2. So you can write here 7. We know the power and power is multiply, power and power গুণ করা যায়, এই গুণ করলে 2 এবং 2 কাটা যায়. Dear students, now we will do the question number 15. In the question number 15 they have said a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 equal 8 and a square plus ab plus b square equal to 4. Then find the value of a square plus b square and ab. Then at first we will write here, look at a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 equal to 8 and a square plus ab plus b square equal 4. Now we can write the equation number 1 and equation number 2. From equation number 1 we get, from equation number 1 we get a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 equal to 8. Now we can apply the formula of a plus b whole square, and we can form it a square whole square plus 2 into a square into b square plus b square whole square. Here look at, here a is a square and b is b square, and we can form this a square whole square plus 2 into a square plus a square into b square plus b square. But look at here, only the middle term is a square plus b square, but we can write here, we have written 2 into a square plus b square. So you can subtract a square b square, and it will be balanced. So you can write here 8, and then you can apply the formula a plus b whole square minus a square b square. You can write here ab whole square equal to 8. Now here look at a square plus a square plus b square whole square minus ab whole square. You can apply the factor formula a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So you can write here a square plus b square plus a plus b into a minus b. A, you can write a square plus b square, and b is ab. So you can write here a square plus b square plus ab into a square plus b square minus ab equal to 8. Now we can arrange it a square plus ab plus b square and a square minus ab plus b square equal 8. Here look at the value of a square plus ab plus b square equal to 4. Now we can put the value of a square plus ab plus b square 4 and a square minus ab plus b square equal to 8. So you can write here by equation number 2. Dear students, look at I have put the value of a square plus ab plus b square. Now you can find the value of a square minus ab plus b square if we divide 8 by 4. So you can write here a square minus ab plus b square equal to 8 by 4, or you can write here a square minus ab plus b square equal to 2. Here, dear students, now we will find the value of a square plus b square, and we can write the equation number 3. Now adding equation number 2 and 3, 2 and 3 implies that 2 plus 3. You can write here now adding equation number 2 and 3, and then you can write here a square plus ab plus b square equal 4, and you can write here a square minus ab plus b square equal 2. If we add, then we can get a square plus the value of a square plus b square. So we have added this. So you can write we can subtract at ab and ab, and you can write a square plus a square 2a square, and b square plus b square 2 b square, and 4 plus 2 you can write here 6, and you can take common 2. So you can write here a square plus b square equal to 6. Dear students, I hope that you have understood it easily, and this is the very easy problem. So you can calculate it and divide 6 by 2. So you can write here a square plus b square 6 divided by 2, or a square plus b square equal to 3. Dear students, look at I have found the value of a square plus b square, and you can find the value of ab if we subtracted the equation number 3 from equation number 2. So I hope you will do it. No more today. See you again later. Khuda Hafiz.